Hello everyone, Ganuchi Sanoke and welcome to my channel. American musician Chris Brown was denied bail following his appearance at Manchester Magistrates Court today, the 16th of May. The judge ruled that Chris will remain in custody after being presented with evidence that he is a flight risk. Chris is accused of unprovokedly attacking music producer Abraham Diao at a London club in 2023. He was arrested yesterday, the 15th of May, shortly after landing for his upcoming UK tour. A prosecutor told the court the alleged 2023 attack was captured on CCTV in a club full of people. The judge ruled that Chris Brown's assault case is too serious to be handled in the magistrates court, so a new date has been set for 13 June 2025 at Southwark Crown Court in London. Now, this decision has thrown his Breezy Ball tour in Europe completely off. He had performances lined up in Germany from 8 to 13 June 2025, then in the UK from 15 to 1 July, wrapping up in France, Paris, the 5th of July. Yo, I wonder what took them so long to arrest him if there's a CCTV footage of the incident. It seems 50 Cent is also wondering the same thing. He posted this. Damn, they are doing CBS and Chris Brown dirty. They knew about this case for 2 years. This is gonna F up the whole tour. What the F is going on? Yeah, and there's already talk of a trial, so the entire Breezy Ball tour, which was meant to celebrate his 20-year career, might not happen. Things were really starting to get better for him. I mean, the Breezy Ball kicked off so well in South Africa and in Brazil last year, and this year he even won a Grammy after so many years. Oh well. Anyway, do let me know what you think in the comments. Thank you so much for watching.